Hello everyone, myself Pawan Suryanshi and today's date is 20th August. Today we will discuss about the full stack development. First of all, what is full stack development? Full stack development is a working practice on both front end and back end. And then what's the front end and back end? We will discuss in brief about the front end, back end and databases, DevOps themes, deployment, development, everything. First of all, what is front end? Front end is a user interaction site. That means, for example, take YouTube. If you are watching some video on YouTube, that's the all contents you are watching on your screen is all about the front end. The all contents are made up of using front end development only. Front end development has some components that are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. First, we'll talk about the HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It means it it provides a basic structure to any application. For example, you are uploading any application, you are filling any application. In that, the application has some basic structure that is made up of HTML. And what is CSS? CSS. If you are created a page using the HTML, after that the modifications, the color, if you want to give any background color or color to the button, everything is possible by the CSS. CSS is a cascading style sheets. Cascading style sheets means it provides a structure that it provides the color, background color or the margin side. You will be able to adjust the margin side, and if you are upload any picture, the picture's width height everything is adjustable by using the CSS only. And using CSS you can change the alphabets like the font sizes, italic, bold, everything. And then the next thing is JavaScript. By using JavaScript, you are providing a logic to the page that what we specifically want to do in that page. For example, if you take an as a YouTube, the first your interaction is first with the front end, but the video, how is the video is playing, that's all about the backend only. The next thing is backend. Backend is server side approach in which it has some APIs, frameworks, and databases. Backend has the tools like Node.js. In backend, the Node.js requires a database. Why database is needed? Why backend uses the database? They all things we will discuss in brief. The first of all, why database is needed. See, if you visited a Amazon site, in that you see some contents that made up of front end. If you want to buy something in Amazon, then the server sends request to the backend. In backend, the acknowledgement is comes back, and when you want to buy and after you purchase that product, after the all your data is stored in backend only. Why the data is storing in backend? How the data is storing in backend? The data is storing in the backend. That's some databases like MongoDB, SQL. The MongoDB is also known as NoSQL. The database stores the data. Why? If you visited again the site, there is no need to update your location, your name, your mobile. Everything is captured automatically. Everything is captured automatically. It's like it helps the user. And the next thing is DevOps. It's a deployment and security purpose only. After that, learning all of these things like front end, back end, APIs, framework, all these things after your learning, it's needed to develop any projects. Like in that project, it had the front end side like username, password. Among that, in that something like analysis, performance analysis. If you are doing a performance analysis of Virat Kohli's matches, in that time you need to store all the Virat Kohli's completed matches. You want to store the data. In that time the database is needed, and the database is connected to the server. After that, the like what is how we can connect the HTML and CSS. That's the CSS contains the style sheets, colors, margin, width. The HTML contains the only structure. In that case, we have to link the CSS site to the HTML. It's all about the full stack development. Thank you.